Fundly Review, Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Fundly isn't just another crowdfunding platform. You won't believe how accessible it makes fundraising for individuals and organizations. Most people get this wrong by assuming high fees eat into donations, but the surprising truth is Fundly's pricing is transparent and straightforward. Fundly charges a platform fee of 4.9% on each donation, plus a standard payment processing fee of 2.9% and 30 per transaction. Most people get this wrong by comparing it to platforms with hidden charges. The total is clearly outlined before launching your campaign. You won't believe how many fundraising options exist. Personal causes, non-profit campaigns, and team fundraisers are all supported. The platform offers features like donation tracking, social sharing, and automated thank you messages to donors. You can even integrate with websites and email campaigns, maximizing reach. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of these built-in tools, which save time and increase engagement. In conclusion, Fundly pricing is fair and easy to understand, providing essential fundraising tools at a reasonable cost. By understanding the platform and transaction fees, you can plan your campaign effectively and maximize every dollar raised. Fundly is more than a crowdfunding site. It's a full-service fundraising solution that empowers individuals and organizations to reach their goals.